A married couple sustained serious injuries on Sunday after their Tata Punch variant registration number TR08A0719 collided head-on with a Bolero pickup truck variant registration number TR08A1619 near Salthang Manu village under the jurisdiction of the Manpathar Police Station along the national highway. The accident occurred when the couple was heading towards Jolaivari. A speeding Bolero pickup coming from the opposite direction lost control while attempting a sharp turn, crashing directly into their vehicle. Local residents alleged that the fire and emergency services team arrived late to the scene. Tripura Manpathar South Zonal Joint Chairman Harendra Riang used his personal vehicle with the help of locals to rush the injured couple to the South District Hospital.
গাড়িটা কোন দিক থেকে আইতে আসলো দুটোটা কি এদিক থেকে চালক কিছু হইছে নি দেখছেন যে গাড়িতে কেউ কিছু হইছিল নি গাড়িতে থাকই না লোক কিছু হইছে নি কই নিছে এখন তারা
The Manpathar police arrived shortly after seized both damaged vehicles and shifted them to the police station. Initial police investigation suggests that reckless driving was the primary cause of the crash. Reported by Bikram from Santi Bazar, Chini, Khorang.